Hello, I'm Camp Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to allow only friends to contact you on Snapchat. We're gonna start by opening up your Snapchat app. Once you open up your Snapchat, you will arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you look on the upper left-hand corner. You're gonna see the Bitmoji, or you're gonna see the profile icon. Make sure to tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you look on the upper right-hand corner, where you're gonna see the setting icon or the gear icon. Make sure to tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure to scroll on the bottom until you see where it says who can. As you see right there, who can. Make sure to tap where it says underneath who can. Make sure to tap where it says contact me right there. As you see right there, tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you switch where it says my friends right there. Tap on my friends right there. Then that's how you allowed only friends to contact you on Snapchat. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.